Welcome to 5323 177th Street West here in Lakeville, Minnesota. Offered by the award-winning builder Shimota Project Management, this beautifully crafted new construction 2-story features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and over 2,300 square feet of living space. As we walk up, check out the covered front porch, complete with a tongue-and-groove wood ceiling and recessed lighting. A perfect, welcoming space with great curb appeal. As we step inside, you're greeted with tall ceilings, solid surface flooring, and tons of natural light. Right off the entry to the right is a flex room, perfect as an office, den, playroom, or even a 5th bedroom. Heading across the hallway, you'll find a well-designed mudroom featuring a sitting bench, coat hooks, and a dedicated closet. Plenty of storage as you enter from the garage. Just off the mudroom is your insulated 3-car garage, complete with finished interior walls, a great upgrade that you don't always see at this price point. Back into the hallway, we'll swing left towards the main living area, but before that, let's veer off to the right and take a look at the half bathroom, complete with a window for natural light and a stylish modern vanity. Alright, now stepping into the great room, you're greeted with a beautiful gas fireplace, large picture window, and an open concept layout. Multiple angles show how this room ties seamlessly into the kitchen and dining spaces, a perfect layout for entertainment. This gorgeous kitchen features stainless steel appliances, a large quartz center island, matching quartz premier counters, pendant and recessed lighting, shaker style cabinetry, and plenty of workspace. The dining area is positioned right off the kitchen with views into the backyard, ideal for everyday meals and gatherings. Tucked just off the kitchen here in the corner is your walk-in pantry, complete with wire shelving and loads of storage. Now we're going to take you downstairs to the almost finished basement. The lower level is ready to finish with framing already in place, offering nearly 700 to 1,000 additional square feet of living space. As you can see, there's plenty of room down here for a family room, bedroom, you can add an extra bathroom, or even a home gym. And the builder can finish this level for about $35,000, giving you a custom solution without the hassle of a future project. I'd like to share some information with you if you're thinking about buying a home. Brittany and I work with a lot of clients who tell us the whole buying process is overwhelming. Offering the right price, understanding interest rates, and making sure you're not overpaying in this market can be a lot. That's exactly why we put together our free home buyer's guide, and you can download it using the link in the description. Inside, we break down everything you need to know to buy your first or next home at the best possible price for your local market. And if you ever want help beyond the guide, that's what we're here for. Brittany and I represent clients with all sorts of different wants and needs. We'll walk you through showings, pricing, negotiations, all the way to closing. So grab your free copy of the guide, and if you're planning to move in the next few months, reach out anytime. Heading upstairs, this level is fully carpeted and thoughtfully laid out. To the left, you'll find 2 of the guest bedrooms, and the first stop is a full bathroom. This layout features a shower tub combo and commode behind a pocket door with a separate single vanity, perfect for busy mornings. Each of the 3 guest bedrooms features large windows that fill the rooms with natural light and double door closets with plenty of storage. Just to the right is the upper level laundry room, complete with a utility sink, window, and storage space. Washer and dryer are not included, leaving you the flexibility to choose your own set. Let's take a quick peek here at the hallway linen closet, always a helpful storage feature. And now into the primary suite. A large bedroom with a wide window overlooking the backyard. This room also connects to a spacious walk-in closet with wire shelving and plenty of storage potential. As we step into the primary bath, you'll notice the designer finishes including floor-to-ceiling 24-inch gray tile, finished off with a black and white penny tile shower floor. And to the right is your oversized single vanity with plenty of counter space and storage. Thanks for watching our tour of this home. If you're looking to buy, build, or compare new construction options here in Minnesota, Brittany and I are here to help. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more walkthroughs, model home tours, and market updates, because you never know, your dream home could be one tour away. I'll see you next time.